Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is London and I put new videos out 2 to 3 times a week. And if you want to see how I got this look using some new products, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you a couple new products that I got that I haven't really tried or really dug into a lot. First thing being the Anastasia Norvina palette. Now I was really inspired by Mitchell. I'm going to put his picture over here on the screen. I really like the glitter liner, so I figured since the Norvina palette has a whole top rows of gorgeous metallics that I could recreate it in my own little style. And then I have some other foundations, concealers, powders, mascara, eyeliner, all kinds of stuff. Alright, so I already have my eyes primed. I'm gonna put a little bit of tape on. I'm going to take the tape a little bit lower than where I would normally take it. Right about there. So still following my lash line, but leaving a pretty decent gap right there. Alright, so I have my eyes primed. Tape is on my eyes. I'm going to look a little crazy. I'm going to go into the Norvina palette. So first I'm going to go in with Eccentric. I'm going to take this all over the crease. Taking the same brush that I did with Eccentric, I'm going to go in with Passion a little bit lower. Then I'm going to go back in with Eccentric and clean up any harsh edges. Go in with Incense and I'm going to blend out even more. MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to cut my crease. Now I'm taking Dreamer and putting it all over my lid. Going in with a little bit of a smaller brush to get right up to the edge. I'm going to go over my lash line and do a rough draft of where I want my wing using a liquid liner. This one is a Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Now that I have this rough draft of where I want my liner to be, I'm going to go in with Drama and go right over it. Taking Celestial and going right over the edges. Eyes are done, took the tape off. Now I'm going to go in with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Now I got my face primed. Now I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I got a little sample here and I'm going to take it with a Beauty Blender. I do have a new concealer. I have the Tarte Creaseless concealer, and ooh, she is thick. Ooh, I'm gonna take the teeniest little bit. I'm going to take the Long Time No Shine Translucent Setting Powder by Lancôme. I'm going to go into the Lancôme powder and set my face. I'm just going to use a dry beauty blender for this. I'm going to take the Kat Von D lash liner, like a liquid liner for your waterline. So let me grab my beauty blender and I'm just gonna lightly pull down my eye. This feels so weird. I'm not sure if I'm down for it being so cold. Definitely that first spot still feels really weird because it was so cold. I'm gonna take Drama and put it onto my lower lash line and blend it into the wing. Next, I'm just gonna lightly blend going back in with Celestial and going over the edges again. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder, and I'm gonna bronze. Gonna put on some blush, the Tarte Party Blush. Use the Anastasia Dream palette to highlight Ethereal and Magic. I apologize if you can hear thunder in the background, but as I was doing my eyebrows, I took a look outside and it has decided to start pouring and thundering. But I did my eyebrows and I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in Blonde, the Kush mascara. I've held on to this for so long and I haven't opened it. So this is my for sure first impression. This is what the brush looks like. They say there's heart-shaped fibers in this mascara, but I'm gonna put it on and then I'll tell you what I think. It glided through my lashes pretty easily. It didn't tug or pull on any of my lashes. Added a nice amount of length and volume. Definitely will try it again. Alright, I just popped some false eyelashes on. These are the Flare Lashes by Sephora collection. I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Hawkwind. While I'm waiting for the liquid lip to dry, I'm going to set my face using the Lancôme Fix It and Forget It Anti-Pollution 24-Hour Makeup Setting Mist. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Estella. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna do a quick little run through of all the products I use and what I thought of them. First thing being the foundation primer by First Aid Beauty. I do really like this. It is really soothing and it is moisturizing. These four things together really complement each other. I was a little freaked out because these two products are really hydrating and give you a nice glow, while opposed to the foundation and the powder are more mattifying. So I was a little concerned about how these would work together, but they did work pretty well. I don't see pores. My forehead is pretty well now that I've set it. It's not creasing anymore. The Lancôme Fix It Forget It setting spray, I did like this. It didn't have a smell. I know a lot of Lancôme products have that certain Lancôme smell to it, so I was a little worried about it being super fragrant. But it didn't have a fragrance to it. It also had a really nice spray to where it didn't spray any strange blobs at my face. It was very consistent. I'm definitely going to try this more. Kat Von D Lash Liner. This is super freaky. Freaked me out. Really cold on my waterline, but it is holding up pretty well in my lash line. A lot of eyeliners will have faded on this outer corner by now, so I do think this has a lot of potential to it. So I am going to keep trying this and I'll let you know how I feel about it at the end of the month. The Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I was expecting this to give me a little bit more volume than it actually did, but I do like it as an everyday mascara. The Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder in shade number 2. I do really love this powder. It made my face so diffuse and it looks so natural. These two together definitely complement each other a lot. I've used this a few times before, but I find myself lacking a lot of inspiration with this palette. I do really enjoy this lip gloss by Anastasia. I think it's really comfortable for a really glittery lip gloss. I think it looks really nice. It doesn't just disappear the second that you put it on your lips. Also, it's not bleeding into my liquid lipstick. My liquid lipstick isn't fading underneath. I really want to keep trying this and see how it does with other lipsticks. I am so pleased with how this turned out. I am happy that everything worked together and nothing really clashed with each other. I'm going to link Mitchell's Instagram down in the description below. I'll also link everything that I used today. Also, if you're interested, most of the products that I used in this video are cruelty free and most of them are vegan as well.